Thank you for tuning in to another edition of Pre-Market Pulsescan. Today is Thursday, October the 19th, 2017. Got a little bit of action in the overnight markets. Let's jump right into it. The Dow was down like 120 something points a few minutes ago. Right now it's down 91 points at 23,023. It did break into the 22,000 handle at 22,951. So now we've bounced. Excuse me, the NASDAQ 100 down 36.5 points at 60.82 and 3/4. It did get as low as 60.55. E-mini S&P 500 is down 11.25 at 25.48 and 3/4. It got as low as 25.42 half. Russell's at 1497.60, down 8.8. It got as low as 1491.90. It should be noted that sell short signals have been in play for the last two sessions in that Russell. So this is just playing out to fruition. The natural gas right now is pretty much flat. It's at $2.85. Gold is up $4.60 at $12.8760. It did get as low as $12.7760. Silver back above $17. It's currently at $17.03, up 3 cents. It did get as low as $16.93 before bouncing back up above 17. Crude oil right now is off 87.5 cents at $51.37.5 cents. And that is the current overnight low. It's trading at it just made this new low. And it went to a high of 52.40. Beans are still quiet at 9.85 1/4, up 1. The euro is up 30 pips at 118.71. The pound is at 132, down 24 pips. And the Aussie is up 25 pips at 78.67. The dollar's off 16 pips at 93.18. It did pop up to 93.55, and now it's pretty much flat. All right, so that's what's happening in the overnight markets. Let's get into some alerts. We have many 911 alerts today, and we even have a couple of trend changers and some overboughts. So we'll start in our negative momentum column today. We'll start with the overboughts. All right, I have the dollar being overbought as far as the equity side, ticker UUP. TLT, the bonds is showing overbought. All right, and the Canadian dollar is showing overbought as well. All right, let's move along to our trend changers, our game changers. Okay, the following four markets have turned. We have an alert indicating that these markets are about to go negative, turn bearish. That's EOD, the Wells Fargo Global Dividend. HAC, all right, HAC has one as well. Nugget and UGLD. All right, cannot ignore those. It should be noted that both Nugget and UGLD also have triple twos in the downtrend column, folks. So they're in full-blown correction mode off those lows, but it looks that these two markets are looking to relock back in and resume the downtrend. HAC has been in a wave 3 correction. All right, it's been in a wave 3 correction, hence the triple threes in the uptrend column. And you'll notice that you got triple sevens in the negative momentum column, so it looks to be official. Taking a look at the EOD, you have pretty much everything is flat on the screen except for the 777 marker. All right, now let's move into the crash alerts. We have many of the crash alerts. I'll just read a few here. The NASDAQ, futures and cash, Apple, Amazon, AutoZone, Bitcoin Cash, let's see, Cannabis Coin, Chipotle Dust, the Aaron Energy, ERN, Ethereum Classic, Facebook, Global Arena Holding, which is GAHC, Gold Coin, Neo and Neo's Coin. I mentioned the NASDAQ futures already. NVIDIA, OMG Coin, Paycoin, which is Tenix, PIVX in the crypto space, PRELF, the triple Q, the QQQ or the cubes, Quantum Coin, and UGAS, United States Oil Fund, which is USO, and then of course Zcash. So we have crash alerts going across the spaces, especially in the crypto section. So tighten up those stops in those cryptos. All right, now let's take a look at our rally alerts. Okay, we have 1,999, and that's in the JDST. All right, so we look for the trend to turn bullish on the JDST. All right, 9/11 rally alerts. We have a plethora of those as well. It should be noted that JDST, well, I won't mention it. I'll say BTL Group, which is BTLLF, Cannabis Coin, Aaron Energy, and Tenix, which is ticker is Pay in the crypto space. Those are what we consider broken. They have both crash and rally alerts. So normally when you get a crossroads strong signal like that, a cross, generally you'll see both things occurring in the same day, where the market will run up first on the open and then reverse and head lower and trend lower the rest of the day, or it'll crash from the open and then reverse and head higher into the close. So both alerts, when you have it like that, they tend to play out in the same trading session. So just heads up on that. All right, so let's see what else we got. JNUG has a rally alert. Let's see, we got BitShares. Veritasium has a rally alert. GBTC has a rally alert. Goldman Sachs, Litecoin. Knick-Knack Paddywhack has a rally alert, but it's still trading at $2, folks, after all this time. Really flat. Waves in the crypto space has a rally alert. Haitian Space, ticker HSHS, has a rally alert. Global Uranium ETF, URA, has a rally alert. All right, that's not good. The URA is even scarier than the hack for obvious reasons. If URA catches a bid and just blows up, I don't like that at all. All right, you know, uranium is used in nukes. All right, and I hope to God we are not near to some World War III situation with thermonuclear war. All right, let's see. Hack has a rally alert, but it's different. These it has an oversold. All right, so that's it for the rally alerts. Let's get into the oversold. Hack kicks off the oversoldness, so it's looking like it wants to attempt a rally. So does the Russell, the cash index looks like it wants to bounce from here, showing that it's oversold. The micro Euro FX futures is oversold. DBA is oversold. The Euro dollar is oversold. FXB, the British pound on the equity side. FXE, the euro on the equity side. The British pound showing oversold. The Dow Transports, IYT, is oversold. Looking into the water space, PIO is oversold. Starbucks is oversold. Wisdom Chinese Yuan Strategy Fund, CYB, oversold. The Euro Yen is showing oversold. The Canadian dollar on the equity side, FXC, is showing oversold. and the Russell ETF IWM is showing oversold, and the Russell Futures is showing oversold. The iShares Core S&P Small Cap ETF IJR is showing oversold, and then finally IBM is showing to be oversold. So that is a complete reading of our both rally and crash alerts. Now let's look at some of our faves. Let's start off with XIV. XIV coming into this morning is showing that it's still locked in to a stage 3 pulse wave cycle trend. All right, we're in a stage 3 pulse wave cycle uptrend. It's still locked in. Looking to buy the pullback in the XIV. Taking a look at NVIDIA, which was our case study from last night. NVIDIA comes into today still showing that it is locked into a stage 3 pulse wave cycle trend, but the caveat is we got a crash alert in the NVIDIA that we have to be mindful of. All right, so looking for a continuation here. If it breaks down, if the intraday price inflection point is breached, won't have a choice but to get short in the NVIDIA. So we'll see how it plays. I still think it wants to break that 200. We'll see if I'm right or not. All right, let's take a look at what else is looking tasty here. I like to find those things that are in a powerful trend. And right now, it's kind of slim pickings. There are many that are in a stage 3 trend. The stock indexes are all in stage 3 pulse wave cycle uptrends. You got the diamonds, also. Could buy the continuation pattern on this one. Depends on how the market's open, though. But this one looks interesting to take advantage of the continuation pattern. So does the Russell. Let's see, looking at the bonds, looking at the junk bonds, ticker symbol J and K. That looks to be a continuation. JP Morgan is a pullback, but it's still locked in a stage 3 pulse wave. If you want to get in on the ground floor of a possible uptrend situation, you got Apple, Amazon, and Chipotle, and Facebook, and Litecoin, and Navecoin. All right, these are stage 1 pulse wave cycle uptrends. All right, so they could be good to get in on now. I'll be watching those to see if any one of those trigger. It should be noted, though, that the Apple, the Amazon, and the Chipotle, and the Facebook all have crash alerts in addition. So the markets are looking interesting right now. I want to see who's going to take control, the bulls or the bears. So we have our analysis. Now it's time to watch the price triggers. And the price triggers will alert us to what's happening in the market. We have no way of knowing exactly which way things are going to go, but that's why we got the price triggers. So we got the pulse waves, which let us know with these alerts what we're looking at, and then we got the price triggers to get us in the market or to keep us out of the market. All right, so with that said, if you have not already done so, take advantage of the 7-day free trial, pulsewavetrading.com. The study course is free with your purchase of a 1-month subscription to the PulseWave price triggers. You get everything included in your subscription. That's live coaching. You get the Learning Academy. You get the study course. You get everything with your purchase of a 1-month subscription to the PulseWave price triggers. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back to these greedy central banksters. Peace.